Eh? Where 3-phase pole? Where they? No, wait. Where are they? The what? The whole of the thing. I just pointed where are they?
Because we have hammer cable there, we have pole there, we have wire from this side.
Okay. Where are they?
I'm okay.
Is that the only thing you are seeing?
Post wall.
Post wall. And are they?
And not like the power number.
Okay. Cable now, SN. I don't know. Ebe fi no then.
I'm okay.
Do you know what I'm trying to teach you? I'm asking you all these questions. The end is very simple. The end is very simple. I want you to understand how wiring is done from the pole to the house. That is all I'm trying to do. So that it shouldn't be like, okay, the wiring you are doing, you clearly don't understand. I've told you before. Wiring and electrical work. Who are there now into details once I can't. The big can later on. That's why when I see people, I'm teaching them one thing and they look like they are doing. And now my argument is like, okay, what is it? Do you understand my point? Okay. So from the LV, line I actually LV. What I say? When you high tension here, I don't know when say line cables may be 3, but we 4. One day I will. When I'm teaching about star connections and data connections, you understand, I would bring in those next lesson there. Yeah. But for now, no, I just want to focus on from the pole to the house. If you shall be, come and have a look at it. So the whole of wiring within 60 seconds. Wiring, within 60 seconds. From pole. What do you say? To a theory. What do you say? See, from pole, from pole, cable no be share meter mu. Say cable no share meter mu na say ekofie no mu a, you find it illegal. What I say? Why is it illegal? It's illegal because the government says so. So it is illegal. You understand? So from pole, about meter. From meter, answer me do see you. Say extra for another thing, break them. You can decide to do it this way. You can decide to put this breaker here. And the breaker can be many things. The breaker can be MCB, MCCB, RCB, RCBO. But what is the best? Energy Commission. Adiatum say, you fan share, you fan RCCB. Anna RCD. Do you understand? So you are going to find the meaning of these two things. You are going to find the meaning of it. Then you come and tell Michael. Then you tell Fred. Bachina. So when I meet you, I'll just ask you what's the meaning of RCD. What's the meaning of RCCB? You understand? If you are not able to say it, it means he didn't tell you. Okay. So now from there, not your meter anymore. Now from the meter, here, your friends say consumer unit. Consumer unit.